Alright, this is reflection problem 5. I want you to notice something. It says to reflect, and we know that reflect means to flip. And it says that we want to flip the image of the triangle over x equals -3. Okay? What we've done in the past is we've just reflected across the x-axis or the y-axis, but this time we actually have a line, x equals -3. So what we need to do is go ahead and find the value x equals -3. So I know that I'm going to be looking at the x-axis, and it's even labeled on your coordinate grid. So I'm going to go to x, and I'm going to go to -3. Okay, so there's my x is -3. And guys, then I need to draw a vertical line. I am creating my line of reflection at x equals -3. And if you want to make that stand out a little bit more, you can do that with a marker or a highlighter. You are allowed to use highlighters on the day of a STAR test or any test in math. Okay, so this is my line of reflection. This is my mirror. All right, stay with me. I want us to move point J first, okay? So remember, we need to see how far away J is from our line of reflection. 1, 2, 3. So guys, if it's 3 units this way from our line of reflection, it's also going to be 3 units the opposite. So 1, 2, 3, plot that point. And since it's been reflected, been transformed, I'm going to label it J prime. Okay, and I want us to go ahead and list our new points. So let's go ahead and label J prime. J prime is at 0, 0, 2. All right, now let's try another one. Let's try K. K is on the line of reflection. So since K is on the line of reflection, if it was to flip, it would stay the same exact thing because it's already on the line of reflection. So for K, let's name that ordered pair. -3 is how many we walk from the origin. And up 5. All right, let's look at L, okay? L. Here's L. Put your pencil on L, and I want you to count how many units it is away from our line of reflection. 1, 2. Since it's 2 units away, how many will it be on the opposite side? 2, because it's the same distance. Very good. 1, 2. Label it L prime, and now we need to label that point from the origin. The location of that point is at -5, +3. And although it's hard to see because the triangle's kind of intertwined, you can see that it has been flipped. It's very hard to see, but you can see that JKL, the new one, has flipped this triangle here. And these are our new coordinates. Good job. Let's go ahead and start problem 6, and then I want you to try it on your own. This one says to reflect the image of the triangle over y equals 5. So remember, we're not flipping across the y-axis or the x-axis this time. We need to create our line of reflection by going to the y-axis and locating point 5. So y equals 5, and I am going to draw a horizontal line. And if you want to trace over it with your highlighter to make it stand out. So this is my line of reflection. I want you to reflect this triangle over our y equals 5 line. You've got this.